Welcome back to Discover Agriculture, where we delve into the fascinating realm of agriculture. Today, we're embarking on a journey through the vibrant fields of goji berry farming. Originating from the Himalayan regions of China, these tiny red powerhouses have captured the attention of health enthusiasts and farmers worldwide. Join us as we uncover the secrets to cultivating and thriving in this lucrative industry. Goji berries, also known as wolfberries, are renowned for their rich nutrient profile, including antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. These berries have been a staple in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries, believed to promote longevity and vitality. With rising health consciousness globally, the demand for goji berries has surged, presenting a lucrative opportunity for farmers. Goji berries thrive in well-drained soil with ample sunlight, making them suitable for a variety of climates. Choose a location with a mild climate and minimal risk of frost, as extreme weather conditions can damage the delicate berries. Consider factors like soil pH, water availability, and proximity to markets when selecting the perfect site for your goji berry farm. Goji berries can be grown from seeds or propagated through cuttings, with the latter being a preferred method for faster results. Implement proper spacing between plants to allow for adequate airflow and sunlight penetration, promoting healthy growth and higher yields. Regular pruning is essential to maintain the shape of the bushes and encourage fruit production. While goji berries are relatively resilient, they can be susceptible to pests such as aphids and spider mites. Employ natural pest control methods like introducing beneficial insects or using neem oil to keep pest populations in check. Monitor your plants regularly for signs of disease and take prompt action to prevent any outbreaks from spreading. Goji berries typically ripen in late summer to early fall, signaling the perfect time for harvest. Gently handpick the berries to avoid damaging them, ensuring optimal quality for marketability. And there you have it, fellow adventurers in agriculture. Goji berry farming presents a promising opportunity for those willing to embrace its challenges and rewards. From selecting the perfect location to mastering cultivation techniques and navigating the market, the journey of goji berry farming is as exciting as it is rewarding. So, roll up your sleeves, sharpen your gardening tools, and embark on this vibrant adventure in sustainable agriculture. Until next time, happy farming!